नमस्कार सारनी आज बोड़ दो नंदकिशोर भैरव महाराज आज अवतरण दिवस तो सारनी कशरन बटन कशरन सारनी क्या नंदकिशोर महाराज सुंबल राज तस वनान तो यमन वारियाह बड़ जाय वारियाह थजर तो वारियाह सनर तो जन सीक्रेट्स ऑफ कश्मीर सीरीज बह पकना आज कर बह कह बावत अत मुतलक। नमस्कार, मैं आज सीक्रेट्स ऑफ कश्मीर सीरीज़ में नंदकेश्वर भैरव महाराज के बारे में आपसे कुछ दो चार बातें शेयर करूंगा, क्योंकि बहुत बड़ी बात है जो सब लोग नहीं जानते। नंदी को एक प्रतीक के रूप में देखा गया है, जाना गया है, और वो बहुत कुछ ऐसा है जो कश्मीर प्रदेश से जुड़ा है और जानना बहुत ज़रूरी है, और ये समय है ये सब जानने का। इन माई सीरीज़ ऑन कश्मीर, सीक्रेट्स ऑफ कश्मीर एंड most relevant and most important aspects, I am today bringing to you something very precious, holy and important. Let me read that for you, because it's very important to know unknown aspects of Kashmir which made an impact then and today also. Thank you. Nandikeshwara Bhairava at Sumbal by Dr. Chamanlal Raina, written under the guidance of Revered Pandit Niranjan Nath Raina. Nandikeshwara is a symbol as well as a legend. As a symbol, it suggests the glory of Shiva, mountain on the Nandi, and in the mood of a dialogue with Parvati. The abode of Shiva is Mount Kailasha. Numberless attendants known as Gana battalions have been assigned to look after the universe under the direct control of Nandikeshwara. He is the guardian commander of the forces with different firing forceful looks, restless to obey the signals of the master. The atmosphere around is quite serene, with the Ashatosha nature of Shiva and law-enforcing nature of Parvati. Enough to eat, the Himalayan snow to enjoy, nothing worth the name of sacredity, peaks filled with the aura of meditating rishis and munis, yakshas and kinnaras, singing everywhere the glory of Shiva consciousness. One is happy with the recitation of Rudra mantra. The other is making the analysis of the Shiva Kavacham. Next to them is putting the oblations with Baharup Garbha in the Agni Kunda, and some are repeating the Mahamrityunjaya mantra. But the realized souls are meditating upon Om Namah Shivaya mantra. Parvati is enjoying the Maya play of her own creation, which is noticed by none except by Shiva himself. Shiva is Pinakina, Shiva is Shankara, Maheshwara, Bhava, and with 1000 names known as Shiva Sahasranama. All such names are his attributes given by the rishis, because they are meditating upon him. Otherwise, Shiva is transcendent in nature. Why so? Shiva is Nishkala, so says the Veda. Shiva is absolute in nature. Shiva is Prakasha, light. Shiva is truth consciousness, bliss. Shiva is Sakala, with the glory of being Pashupati, the Lord of creation. That's what the Shaivagamas explain to make the Shiva consciousness touch the human understanding. The great source of knowledge to understand the benign nature of Shiva is the Rudramala Tantra. Bhavani Sahasranama is one of the chapters of this great treatise. It is the treasure of hope, heart's love, and spiritual awareness in understanding what Shiva Shakti is. Shiva is Kevaloham, alone I am. When he is in the Yoga Mudra, that is the state of Soham, I am that, for Shakti. But what about for human beings? Nandikeshwara Bhairava is the answer. Who is Nandikeshwara? The legend runs as Indrakuta is a village in the Sumbal area of Kashmir. A very pious couple lived there. They were the followers of Shiva Amareshwara Amarnath. The family belonged to the lineage of Swamina Gautama. After great penances, they bore a male baby. Their spiritual guru, who came to bless the child, visualized through his intuitive faculty that the newborn baby is graced with the divine attributes, but is destined to live only a few years. The guru did not reveal that heart-piercing happening to them. Time passed on. The baby grew up as a very promising child and would go on the banks of river Vitasta to offer water on Shivalingam and be absorbed in the deep meditation. One day prior to the fateful happening, when this child would have been taken by Mahakala in his dark lab, the Guru invited this small child in his hermitage and instructed him accordingly. O my yogi child, you meditate upon the Mahamrityunjaya mantra. You need to reach Mansarovara, Manasbal Lake, at early dawn and step into the celestial cube and follow Indra, the guardian ruler of Devatas. The yogi child could not be noticed as being very small and insignificant in the eyes of Devatas. That day happened to be the Jeshta Amavasya. On the Kritika Nakshatra, the little ascetic child did as instructed. All the Devatas were applied Tilaka Gandhama on the forehead by Brahma, blessing them with the Vedic mantra, Jiveta Sharada Shatam. May you live the time duration of 100 celestial years. In that queue was the little yogi child, who too was blessed with the same life-giving mantra by applying the Tilaka Gandham on his forehead. Brahma did not do it consciously, but he simply performed the divine assignment. That very moment, he recognized his blunder. Devatas got startled. Panic grew everywhere in the universe. Oh, full of creation, as the Lord of creation himself fell in error. Vishnu with Lakshmi and Shiva with Parvati were witnessing that complex situation. A divine confusion was seen on the immortal faces caused by the mere slip of tongue. All realized the efficacy of mantra, because mantra is the Shabda Brahma, powerful sound, transcending time and place. Congregation of the Devatas to be presided over by Shiva with Ashutosh attribute was announced. What happened then was not a miracle or a cosmic change, but only a reflection of the grace of Parvati, as she is the mother of creatrix par excellence. She is the only source of power to transform death into immortality and to justify Mrityorma Amratam Gamaya. After great deliberations, it was concluded that the child transformed into immortality be adopted by Sri Parvati and to function as the chief attendant of Parameshwara Shiva. He was assigned to work as Nandi Rudra, commander of the forces of Shiva. The proposal was moved by Parvati and given the assent by Narayana. It was proclaimed by Brahma that immortal child will henceforth be addressed as Nandikeshwara. His color turned red, assumed 4 arms, 3 eyes. Saraswati sang the hymn. Nandi Chaturbhujo Raktaha Chaturvaktraha Trilochanaha Bijgarbham Mundashilam Chintaye Vignanashanam Shri Parvati Priyam Putram Parameshwarasya Sevakam Bhakti Rakshakaram Chema Tam Vande Nandikeshwaram. Nandirudraya Namaha Kandirudraya Namaha Tarkarajaya Namaha पर्कराजाय नमः। मानसरोवराय नमः। नन्दिरुद्राय नमः। कन्दिरुद्राय नमः। तर्कराजाय नमः। पर्कराजाय नमः। मानसरोवराय नमः। नन्दिरुद्राय नमः। कन्दिरुद्राय नमः। तर्कराजाय नमः। पर्कराजाय नमः। मानसरोवराय नमः। ॐ ह्रीं श्रीं नंदकेश्वर भैरवाय 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 नमः।